So if you're new to fly fishing and you're looking to get into it a bit more, probably three things that I'd try and focus on is learn the fundamentals of the casting. That's really going to set you up for any technique. Oh, there's a fish, sorry. Any technique that you're going to do. Have patience. So even today, for instance, there's been spikes of activity as we've gone through the day, but just have patience that the fish will feed on and off throughout the day, and make sure you're well set up with all the gear that you need too. That's really going to increase your success if you've got all the right gear that you need, and you'll be able to come out and experience some great fly fishing and catch some nice little trout like this one.